i35equipment.com. This is bucket stock number B12. It is an 80-inch wide excavator bucket designed specifically for a PC220. However, if it's many makes and models, including 180s, some 160s, 200s, 210s, 220s. To verify if it's your specific machine, you just need to make sure of two measurements. You need to make sure what your pin diameter is. This one uses 80 millimeters. Then you need to make sure your stick at the pins can fit down between the ears where it pins on. Your stick needs to be within 13 inches, because this one's 13 inches wide, to fit down in here. Now, for example, if you have a 12-inch stick, that's great. You can get some little spacers from your local machine shop, either made or sometimes they have them ready to go for you. That way it fits tighter. But once you just gotta make sure your stick can fit and that you have the pins. The only other measurement you may need is if you have a hydraulic quick attach system. That measurement would be from the pin to pin. That's 17.5 inches here. And the way a lot of those hydraulic quick attach systems work is a hook, like with a, sorry, I've lost my wording, but with like a clamp that would go up here, and it's just stationary with that hook. And then the hydraulic cylinder action actually pushes back until it can't push back any further, and it would push back against that bottom pin. For example, it might be 15 to 20 inches, so it could start at 15 and then go all the way to 20 if it needed to, but it would stop at 17 and a half because that's where this is at. You can always check your specific quick attach to make sure of those measurements. If you have any questions, give us a shout. We're happy to help you out. You want to see our full new up-to-date inventory of buckets, attachments, equipment, and more online at i35equipment.com. And we do appreciate you taking time to watch and hope you have a wonderful day.